Well, I bought everything that Home Depot says that I need to have to do drywall work, to be a DIY drywall person. They said I need all this, so here we go. We've got the pizza tray, we got the corner trowel, we've got the 6-inch trowel or knife that you start with, and then you follow up with this one. I think it's a 12, 10-ish. We got the sanding blocks that goes on the sticks, corner sanders, hand sander, and you don't really use sandpaper anymore. It's like a screen. It reminds me of a screen door. 120 and 220 drywall tape, drywall joint compound, 2 buckets. And we got the stir to stir up the mud, because you can't just use this directly out of the bucket. You got to add some water to it. Let's see. So this is everything that Home Depot said that I need to do drywall work. I bought it all. Now I just got to learn how to do it. So we got the pizza tray, we got a couple buckets, we got various sanding blocks and different spatulas or knives. You start with a 6, and then you go to a 10, and maybe a 12. Here's a corner one. And then the sandpaper is not sandpaper, it's more like a screen door. We got 220 and 120. See, it looks like a screen door. We got buckets, we got joint compound, we got tape. We just got to learn how to do drywall work now. Well, this is what they said I need. So hey, stick along for the ride, guys. I would really appreciate your guys' support. I'm renovating this entire house all by myself. I have to have it done in a couple months. I got a budget pretty small, and every time I start to do something, something else goes wrong. I have to start caring for my mom because assisted living facilities cost an arm and a leg, and I couldn't move her into my 1-bedroom apartment. So here we are in the money pit, and we're starting in the money green room. Money green. I thought this one was going to be the easiest one out of all of them. I thought I was going to replace this piece of floor right here. You can tell starting there over. Once I did that, then I started to take the curtain rods down. And once I started taking those down, all the drywall fell, and every termite in probably this entire state was having a buffet above my window. So I got rid of all the eaten up drywall. I cleaned out all the rotten wood, replaced the insulation. Now we're going to learn how to do the mud. Oh gosh. All right, so let's mix up the joint compound. I've done a couple batches of this. Haven't quite gotten it right yet. So I'll show you what I've learned so far. That you can't use it directly out of this bucket. You must add some water to it. And they say it needs to be like the consistency of mayonnaise. So that's what we'll try to do. So I've got another bucket here with just water in it so I can rinse off my tools. And we have water. Then we have the drywall joint compound. We got the stir to go in the drill. This thing is pretty handy. You'll need one of these. Need that guy. I got a wooden spoon from home to dip this out. And then once it's done, and once it's blended up, you can use it to put it on the holding thingy, pizza tray. And I got these rubber gloves, so like if it gets some joint compound on me, I can just peel them off. I wear these at work all the time at the bakery, so I'm used to having them. So there's that. Watched several videos right here on old YouTube to figure out how to mix the joint compound. Give me a paper towel to put the spoon on. I'm getting it on the floor, and then I'm stepping in it. So we'll just that's how some people do it. We'll mix it up. See if we can get it like mayonnaise. Maybe a little bit more water. If it gets too runny, we can put another dab of that in there. I think that looks good. I'm gonna put my drill on high and sling the stuff out real quick. And then take this guy out. And then I've got the other bucket with the water in it, holding the, I forget what they call this thing. That guy. I can use my wooden spoon to put some on there. And then we'll smear some on the wall. We'll just start with that much for right now. And then let me show you what we're going to do. I'm going to try to do at least. Try. Put some more on this window. We'll do this together. I'm going to smear some mud on there. I'm already talking the lingo, guys, like I've been doing this. We're going to put some mud on the wall and then some drywall tape. That gives it a little, a little extra something. We'll get the pizza tray. The drywall tape, I don't know the correct word for it. Put some more, gives it something to build back. The drywall paper is gone in this area. So putting the tape on there will make it stronger as well, I guess what I'm saying. And then I've learned that there's two sides. There's a crease down the center, and where it naturally bends, you want the crease to go in. So like if you were doing a corner, it'd go like that. So this is what we want to put this one. Get a little bit more. I'm sure I'm doing this wrong, but you don't get good at this unless you do it. So I might be doing it wrong right now, but maybe by the time I'm done with this project, I'll be doing it right. I'm just kind of easing this down in there right now, just getting it to stay where I want it to stay. And then let's put some on here. And I've got the windowsill to work off of to be able to get it level. All the drywall got kind of disappeared in this area under the windowsill. It's gone. Well, that's a good mess right there I got going on already. I thought I was being clean right here. Nope. I pushed too hard right there. I need to learn how to push a little softer. You know, I'm trying to keep the drywall mud and the tape and all that level between the wood of the windowsill and the wall down here, and trying to fill this in and make it level. Okay, guys, practice makes perfect. I'm finally getting the swing of it. So we're going to put a light coat over the top of the screws. And then we're going to pick up the drywall tape that fell. And we're going to put it with the crease side in where it naturally wants to bend. Goes in. Then we're going to gently push it into place. Kind of tight areas right there. And there is the proper first coat of the tape. Not bad, not bad. Got one more.